Imagine a sacred site at the center of a global conflict, and a mysterious ritual called the Red Heifer sacrifice could ignite a firestorm. Right-wing Israeli groups believe sacrificing a red heifer fulfills a prophecy, paving the way for a third temple on the Temple Mount. The Temple Mount is also the location of the Al-Aqsa Mosque, the third holiest site in Islam. In their effort to rebuild the temple, devoted believers refer to the Book of Numbers chapter 19. The sacrifice is planned to take place as early as April 2024. It is believed that the ritual is necessary to purify the Jews so that they can pray at the Al-Aqsa compound. In September 2022, 5 red heifers were flown from the state of Texas into the occupied lands, each costing a staggering $100,000. To better understand what this ritual is, we must look at what is stated in the Book of Numbers chapter 19.
And the Lord spoke to Moses and to Aaron, saying, This is the ordinance of the law which the Lord has commanded, saying, Speak to the children of Israel, that they bring you a red heifer without spot, wherein is no blemish, and upon which never came yoke, and you shall give her to Eleazar the priest, that he may bring her forth without the camp, and one shall slay her before his face. And Eleazar the priest shall take of her blood with his finger, and sprinkle of her blood directly before the tabernacle of the congregation 7 times, and one shall burn the heifer in his sight. Her skin and her flesh and her blood with her dung shall he burn. And the priest shall take cedar wood, and hyssop and scarlet, and cast it into the midst of the burning of the heifer.
The red heifer is a female bovine which has never been pregnant or milked or yoked, also known as the red cow. The cow must be completely red, including its hooves, and must be around 3 years old at the time of sacrifice. Following the sacrifice, the ashes of the cow are due to be mixed with water and used to purify selected Jewish priests. This wouldn't be the first red heifer sacrifice. According to Jewish tradition, only 9 have occurred throughout history, the last one right before the Romans destroyed the Second Temple. However, some rabbis believe sacrificing a 10th red heifer heralds the arrival of the Dajjal, a false messiah figure in Islam. The Temple Institute is actively preparing for this event. They believe the red heifer sacrifice will lead to an attack on the Al-Aqsa Mosque, paving the way for a temple of Dajjal to be built on its ruins. This apocalyptic vision fuels tensions and raises serious concerns about the future of Jerusalem.